Our running chapter is subtraction. Okay, students, in our previous class, we learned some key points on subtraction. Is some problems, that is single digits. Today we are going to learn two digits. Subtraction on two digits. On two digit numbers. Subtraction on two digit numbers. Subtraction on two digit numbers. First one, 27 minus 11. 27 minus 11. First we write place values ones, tens. Now subtract ones. 7 minus 1. These two digits are from one place, that is 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. From 7 we subtract 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we subtract 1. We cut 1. After cutting 1 from 7, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 7 minus 1 equal to 6. Now subtracting on tens. Subtracting on tens. The digits are in tens place. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. It means 1 subtracting from 2. 1, 2. From 2, we subtract only 1. After cutting one line, only one line is there. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Answer is 16. 27 minus 11 equal to 16. Now, question 2. 36 minus 36 minus 15. Here again we write the place values for digits in a number 1, 10. Now subtraction on ones. 6 minus 5. These are ones. 6 minus 5. It means 5 subtracting from 6. 6 means draw 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we remove 5 or we subtracting 5 from 6. One, two, three, four, 5. After removing 5 lines from 6, there is only 1. 6 minus 5, 1. Now subtracting on tens. 3 minus 1. In tens, the digits are 3 and 1. 3 minus 1. 1 is subtracting from 3. From 3, we remove only 1. After removing 1, there are 2 lines. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2. 36 minus 15 is equal to 21. 36 minus 15 equal to 21. Now, question 3. Now, question 3. 45 minus 23. 45 minus 23. Right principle is 1 10. On subtracting 1, the digits are in one's place. 5 3. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 1 3 4 5. From 5 we subtracting 3. 1 2 3. After removing 3 lines from 5 lines, there are 2 lines. 5 minus 3 2. Now 10. Subtracting on tens. The digits are in tens place 4 and 2. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 means 2 subtracting from 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 4 we remove 2 lines. 2. After 2 lines removing from 4, there are 2 lines are there. 4 minus 2, 2. Write 2 here. 45 minus 23 is 45 minus 23 is 22. Now, question number 4. Question number 4. 92 minus 70. 92 minus 70. Right place values 1 and 10. Now, subtracting on 1. The digits are in one's place 2, 0. 2 minus 0. From 2, we subtracting 0 or 0 subtracting from 2. 2 means draw 2 lines 1 and 2. From 2, we cut 0 line. 0 line means there is no line. We write 2 here same. 2 minus 0, 2. Now subtracting on 10. The digits are in tens place. 9 minus 7 means he is subtracting from 9. 9 means draw 9 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 lines, we subtract or we remove 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After cutting 7 lines, there are 2 lines. 1, 2, 7, 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Answer is 22. 92 minus 70 is equal to 22. Now, question number 5. 39 minus 18. 39 minus 18. Yes, we read the place values 1, 10. First subtracting on ones. The digits are in ones place 9 and 8. It means 8 is subtracting from 9. From 9 we subtract 8. 9 means draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 we remove 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We removing 8 lines from 9. There is only one line. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. We write 1 here. Now subtracting on 10. Subtracting on 10. 3 minus 1. 3 From 3 removing 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 39 minus 18 is equal to 21. 39 minus 18 is equal to 21. Now question 6. 70 minus 50. 70 minus 50. Write the place values 1 and 10. Subtracting on ones. The digits are from ones place 0, 0. 0 minus 0. Subtraction of same numbers we get 0. Subtraction of same digit we get 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Now subtracting on tens. The digits are in tens place. 7 minus 5. 7 and 5. It means 5 is subtracting from 7. Or 5 subtracting from 7. From 7 is subtracting 5. 7 means draw 7 at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From 7 we subtracting only 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After cutting 5 lines from 7 lines, there are 1, 2. 2 lines are there. 7 minus 5, 2. 2. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. Now question number 7. 89 minus 18. 89 minus 18. Write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtracting on 1. The digits are ones place. The digits are in ones place 9 and 8. 9 minus 8 means 8 is subtracting from 9. 8 is subtracting from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 lines, we subtract 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After removing 8 lines from 9, we have only one line here. 9 minus 8, 1. 1. Now subtracting on 10. The digits from tens place 8 and 1. 8 minus 1. We subtracting 1 from 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 is subtracting only 1. After removing one line from 8 lines, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 89 minus 18 is equal to 71. 89 minus 18 is equal to 71. Now 18, 81. 35 minus 25. 35 minus 25. Write place values 1 and 10 on subtracting ones. The digit from ones place 5, 5. 5 minus 5. In a subtraction of same number, subtraction of same digit, we get 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Write 0. Now subtract 10. Digits are is subtracting from 3. 1, 2, 3. From 3 lines, we remove 2 lines. 1, 2. After removing 2 lines from 3 lines, there is only one line. Right here, 3 minus 2, 1. 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. Now, question number 9. 47 minus 40. 47 minus 40. Now write the place values, ones and tens. 7 minus 0. Now subtracting on 1. 7 minus 0 means 0 is subtracting from 7. When 0 is subtracting from a number, we get the same number. 7 minus 0, 7 only. Already I gave this. 7 minus 0, 7. Now subtracting on tens. 4 minus 4. Subtraction of same numbers, we get 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 0. As a number starting with 0, there is no value, then the answer is only 7. 47 minus 40 is 7. Now, 10th one. 58 minus 26. 58 minus 26. Write the place values 1 and 10. Now subtracting on ones. The digits from ones place 8 and 6. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 means draw 8 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 lines we remove 6. 6 lines. After removing 6 lines from 8 lines, how many lines are there? 1 and 2. 8 minus 6, 2. We are right. 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Now subtracting on the digits from tens place 5, 2. 5 minus 2. From 5 we subtracting 2 or 2 subtracting from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 5 we removing only 2 lines. 1, 2. After removing 2 lines, there are 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Answer 58 minus 26. 58 minus 26 is equal to 32. Now subtractions on number line. Subtraction on number line. First one, 7 minus 2. Here, which is the bigger number? 7 is the bigger number. Try a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, yes. 2 is subtracting from 7. First biggest number is 7. First we select the biggest number, that is 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If 7 is there, draw an arrow from 0 to 7. From 7 we remove 2. From back side means from here we will move back side with 2 steps. This is 2 now. From 7 we removing or the subtracting 2. We move back side with 2 steps. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes, our arrow symbol at 5. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Now Question number 2. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6. Here, which is a bigger number? 8 is a bigger number. 6 is a smaller. Yes, bigger number minus smaller number. Then subtraction is exist. Draw a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You should add numbers more than 8. Why 8 is a bigger number. Yes, here 8 is there. From 0 to 8, draw an arrow. Why 8 is a bigger number. Yes. From 8, we subtract 6. Starting from 8, we move back. We move backward with 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 8, we move backward with 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now our arrow mark at 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now, question number 3. 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. Yes, draw a number line. Here, which is the biggest number? Both numbers are same. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. In this subtraction, two numbers are same or two digits are same. 4 minus 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. Draw an arrow from 0 to 4. Yes. Next we subtract 4 from 4. It means from 4 we move backward with 4 steps. From here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our arrow mark at 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Now, question number 4. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8. Here, which is the biggest number? 9 is the biggest number. 8 is the smaller. Bigger number minus small number. Then subtraction is exist. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. The bigger number is 9. We draw an arrow from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Yes. From 9, we remove 8. Means 8 is subtracting from 9. From 9, we move back side with 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our arrow symbol at 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. Now, now 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Here bigger number is 8, smaller number is 3. Then subtraction is exist. 8 minus 3 or 3 is subtraction from 8. Draw number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where 8 is a bigger number, draw an arrow from 0 to 8. From 0 to 8. From 8, we removing or we subtracting 3. Starting with 8, we move backside with 3 steps. How many steps? 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. From here, we move backside with 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Yes, our arrow symbol at 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. These are subtraction on number line. Dear students, write this note and do practice very well at your home. You take different number or same number to these subtraction are very important. In our next class, we will do some subtractions from our. Goodbye, everyone.